So you have to match the kartrupadani with its kriyapadani. That's subject with its verb. First word is chhatraha. Chhatraha means students and the word is in Bahuvajanam. So the verb should match with its vachanam and meaning. What do the students do? Students study. So chhatraha padhanti is the answer. Ghagau is dvivajanam. And there are only two verbs in dvivajanam in the right side. That is patataha and tishtataha. So ghagau, the two birds are standing is a better option. So tishtataha. Mayuraha means peacocks. It's Bahuvajanam. So Mayuraha, what do the peacocks do? They are dancing. Mayuraha nrityanti. Phale is Dvivajanam. Phalam, phale, phalani. Phale is Dvivajanam. And the only leftover Dvivajanam verb is patataha. So phale padataha. Kokila is Ekavajanam. And what do a cuckoo do? It chirps or sings. Kokila pujati. And krishakaha karshanti. The farmers do farming. Krishakaha karshanti. So in this we have to use the verb given in the bracket, that is dhaturup given in the bracket according to the noun given. The nouns are given in 3 columns in 3 vajanam: ekavajanam, dvivajanam and bahuvajanam. Naraha is ekavajanam, so the verb should end in ti in latlakaraha in present tense. So naraha gacchati, a man goes. Narau, 2 men. When it's 2, then we have to end the verb in taha. So gacchati becomes gacchataha. Naraha is bahuvajanam, so the verb should end in ti. So naraha gacchanti. Likewise, padh will become shishyaha padhati, shishyau padhataha, shishyaha padhanti. Brahma becomes brahmati. So vanaraha brahmati, vanarau brahmataha, vanaraha brahmanti. Raksha becomes rakshati. Sainikaha rakshati, sainikau rakshataha, sainikaha rakshanti. Pat means patati. Pada will become padati in ekavajanam. So patram patati, patre patataha, patrani patanti. Meghaha garjati, meghau garjataha, meghaha garjanti. So in this, first question is tvam. Tvam, padati, padanti, padadhaha, padasi. 4 options are given. Tvam is the subject of madhyama purusha ekavajanam. So in the table, padati, padataha, padanti, padasi, padadaha, padadha, padhami, padhavaha, padhamaha. Madhyama purusha ekavajanam verb only you are supposed to write, which is padhasi. So the correct answer is tvam padhasi. Balaha, balaha, balau, balaha. Pradhama vibhakti bahuvajanam. So pradhama purusha bahuvajanam will be the verb in the given options, which is kridanti. Balaha kridanti, third option. Kamalam. Kamalam is ekavajanam. So pradhama purusha ekavajanam will be the verb, which is vikasati. Kamalam vikasati. Chakre. Chakra is Nabumsakalingam. Table is chakram, chakre, chakrani. Chakra is dvivajanam. Pradhama vibhakti dvivajanam. So brahmati is ekavajanam, brahmataha. Fourth option. Brahmataha is dvivajanam. So chakre brahmataha is the correct answer. Kapotaha needani. Kapotaha is the subject. the verb does not have any connection with the word needani. Kabodaha is the subject, which is Pradhama Vibhakti Bahuvajanam. So, Pradhama Vibhakti Bahuvajanam verb is Rachayanti. Kapotaha Needani Rachayanti. Third option. Same Balikaha Dugdam. Same Pradhama Vibhakti Bahuvajanam. So, Balikaha Dugdam Pibandi. Here also, the word Pibandi does not have any connection with the Dugdam word. It is connected only with the word Balikaha, which is the subject. Kukkurau. Kukkuraha, Kukkurau, Kukkuraha. Kukkurau is Dvivajanam. So the verb is Pradhama Purusha Dvivajanam, which is Dhavataha. First option. Kukkurau Dhavataha. When you are getting a sentence from which you have to make out a verb will be given. If you are given a sentence with a verb and you are asked to fill up the subject column of it, that is asti iti kriyapadasya kartrapadam kim, that question, how do we answer is, first find out the words in the sentence which is in Pradhama Vibhakti. Pradhama Vibhakti, for example, if it's Akaranta Pullingam, Balakaha, Balakau, Balakaha. But there is one more clue that the verb is giving here. Asti is Eka Vajanam also. So that gives you two clues. Asti is Eka Vajanam and Pradhama Purushaha. So the verb gives you two clues. That is, the answer will be, the Kartrapadam will be Pradhama Vibhakti and Eka Vajanam. Pradhama Vibhakti Eka Vajanam words we have three in the sentence. Ekaha, Jalapurnaha and Sarovaraha. So we don't have to look at any other words in the sentence. We have to consider these three words from which we have to choose the Kartrapadam. Ekaha is cancelled because Ekaha is a number. We don't talk about a number. Here it is obvious that it's a story and it is talking about one something. So Ekaha is cancelled. Now the leftover is Nitya Jalapurnaha and Sarovaraha. When we have more than two Pradhama Vibhakti words in a sentence, then we have to know the meaning of the word. So Nitya Jalapurnaha means something filled with water. Something filled with water, that itself tells that it is an adjective. So narrowing the options, only Sarovaraha makes sense. So we can talk about a noun in the sentence which is river or a pond, Sarovaraha, lake. So Kim Asti or Kaha Asti? Sarovaraha Asti is the answer. Sarovaraha is the Kartrapadam.